Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today, let's make a tasty mussel with chili bean paste. This spicy seafood recipe will blow you away. The exact amount is in the description box. Now, I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's clean the mussel. Remove the bait from the mussel. This part is inedible. Then rinse the mussel in cold water to remove the sand. Now strain it. Then cut the garlic and remove the husks. And cut a few pieces of ginger. Now cut the bell pepper. I'm using 2 kinds just for color. Let's start to cook. Add oil into a hot wok. Cook on medium-high heat. Add garlic and ginger. Stir fry to release the fragrance. Then add the dried chili. Now add the chili bean paste and mix. When everything is red, add the mussel. Mix everything together and add cooking wine. Now add in the bell pepper. Then add seasoning soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix everything together and it's done! Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! Your mouth watering? My mouth's watering. The mussel is tender and a little bit chewy. It's spicy and savory. This is good. If you like spicy, there is a lot of flavor. It's so umami, so delicious, so good. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。